guys. Please like and subscribe. Enjoy this video, and thank you for 15 subscribers. I'm gonna give you a heads up on my dirt bike. I am gonna let you drive on it, and I hope you enjoy this video about my dirt bike. I'm gonna go a little bit not off-road today because my dirt bike is halfway dead. It goes 14 miles per hour, and it's electric, and it's a good dirt bike. And if the video ends, it's because there's some kind of virus or something. And thank you for watching today. Just please like and subscribe, and that's it. Another fun thing that I'm gonna do for 15 subscribers, and I'm gonna keep on doing dirt bike things. Hope you enjoy. First, I gotta get this camera set up so I can hit the road. You might not be able to see the road, but kind of hard to. Guys, sometimes it zooms in for some reason. Okay, I'm just making sure that you guys can see that. I've been doing slow because I was riding it over the earth, like 3 videos I came, like it keeps on going off on me. I'm checking. I think I gotta pull this off. Let's let me pull up in the shade or somewhere. Thanks, guys. Something went wrong. Work my butt off trying to get this ready. Let's go back on. Go back to the And that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed the dirt bike racing. And that's today's video. And I'm still gonna do more videos today. Maybe one out here we have a camp out. One that might play baseball. I don't really know. Thanks for watching this video, and please like and subscribe, and thank you for 15 subscribers. We will still do more on driving my dirt bike, and I hope you had a good time and enjoyed. Goodbye.